December 23rd, 2011, 8:45 a.m. Moderate to light rain last night, but as you can see, as we walk across the street from my house, we have massive flooding. On a normal day, this is not visible. You do not see any water whatsoever. This is all from the Manasquan Reservoir. Okay, massive water. There's all the water, goes down and around behind these homes. And then as we walk back to the rear of these homes, you will start to see that the water is in front and in back of these homes. Sandbags, that's how we live. And as you see, I'm walking along the side of my neighbor's house. And as I walk, you can just see, as I walk along the back of our house, how close that water is in front and in back of these homes. You can't even imagine how close this is to the house. Maybe 25, 30 feet from the house, and that's it. Another inch of rain and the entire cul-de-sac would be underwater.